Ever wondered what it takes to make a woman truly want you? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into the secrets of attraction. This isn't about playing games or using cheesy pickup lines. Remember, it's all about genuine connection and understanding. Step 1, your secret weapon. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of attraction: confidence. You know that feeling when you walk into a room and you just own it? That's the energy we're going for. Confidence isn't about being the loudest or the most outgoing person in the room. It's about believing in yourself, knowing your worth, and letting that inner light shine through. So how do you build this irresistible aura of confidence? Well, it starts with you. Think about what makes you feel good, what you're passionate about. Maybe it's hitting the gym, learning a new language, or finally mastering that sourdough bread recipe. When you invest in yourself and your own growth, your confidence naturally skyrockets. And trust me, women pick up on that energy. It shows you're driven, passionate, and comfortable in your own skin, all qualities that are incredibly attractive. Stand tall, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to flash that genuine smile. So go out there, be your best self, and watch the sparks fly. Step 2, the bridge to her heart. Okay, so you've got the confidence down, you're feeling good. Now it's time to build that connection through the magical art of communication. And no, I'm not talking about cheesy pickup lines or bragging about your vintage vinyl collection. I'm talking about real, genuine, heart-to-heart communication. The first step? Listen up. And I mean really listen. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and be present in the moment. When she's talking, pay attention to what she's saying, how she's feeling, and what's important to her. Ask questions, show genuine interest, and let her know that you value her thoughts and opinions. Be open, be honest, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Vulnerability can be scary, but it's also incredibly powerful. When you open up and share your true self, you create a space for deeper connection and intimacy. A little bit of humor never hurts either. A well-timed joke can lighten the mood and show that you're comfortable and confident. Step 3, the foundation of love. Okay, we've talked about confidence. We've talked about communication. Now let's talk about the cornerstone of any strong and healthy relationship: respect and understanding. This isn't just about holding doors open or saying please and thank you, although those are always nice. It's about treating her with kindness, empathy, and valuing her as an equal partner. Think of it this way. Respect is like the air we breathe. We may not always notice it, but we sure do miss it when it's gone. It's about recognizing her boundaries, listening to her needs, and making her feel safe and valued. Making an effort to understand her perspective, even if you don't always agree, shows that you care about her as an individual. It's about celebrating your differences and recognizing that those differences are what make your connection so special. Step 4, humor, the key to her funny bone and her heart. Let's be honest, life can be a little too serious sometimes. That's where humor comes in. Laughter is like a breath of fresh air. It lightens the mood, brings people together, and creates unforgettable memories. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a stand-up comedian to win her heart, but being able to make her laugh, that's a superpower worth cultivating. Start by sharing funny stories, cracking a well-timed joke, or just being silly and playful. Don't be afraid to laugh at yourself either. It shows you don't take yourself too seriously. The key to good humor is to be genuine and authentic. Remember, shared laughter creates a bond like no other. Step 5, shared interests, building connections that last. Finding common ground, discovering shared interests, it's like adding fuel to the fire of attraction. It gives you something to bond over, something to talk about, and something to look forward to doing together. Now, shared interests don't have to be grand, life-altering passions. It could be as simple as enjoying the same type of music, bonding over a favorite book, or discovering a shared love for vintage board games. The important thing is to be open to trying new things, exploring her interests, and sharing your own. You might be surprised at what you discover, and who knows, You might even find a new passion along the way. It's all about being open-minded, respectful, and willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Step 6. Physical appearance and grooming. Putting your best foot and face forward. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, physical appearance. Now, before you start stressing about having the perfect physique or the latest designer clothes, let me tell you a secret. It's not about that. It's about taking care of yourself, feeling good in your own skin, and putting your best foot forward. Think of it this way. Taking care of your physical appearance is a form of self-respect, and it shows you care about making a good impression. Start with the basics. Maintain good hygiene, find a hairstyle that makes you feel confident, and choose clothes that flatter your body type and make you feel good. It's not about fitting into a certain mold. It's about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. And remember, confidence is the most attractive accessory you can wear. Step 7. Her rock, her cheerleader, her partner in crime. We all need someone in our corner, someone who believes in us, supports our dreams, and is there for us through thick and thin. Being that person for her, being her rock, her cheerleader, her partner in crime, that's what creates a bond that's unbreakable. Support can come in many forms, from the grand gestures to the smallest acts of kindness. It's about celebrating her victories, big or small, and offering a listening ear and a shoulder to cry on during challenging times. It's about being present, both physically and emotionally, and showing her that you're there for her, no matter what life throws her way. Now, being supportive doesn't mean you have to agree with everything she does or says. It's about respecting her choices, even if they differ from your own, and offering encouragement and support along the way. Relationships are a two-way street. Just as you're there to support her, she'll be there to support you. Step 8. Being genuine and authentic. Let your true colors shine. In a world obsessed with filters, curated online personas, and presenting the perfect image, there's something incredibly refreshing about someone who's unapologetically themselves. Being genuine and authentic means embracing your quirks, your passions, your flaws, and everything that makes you, well, you. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and letting your true colors shine through. When you're being your authentic self, you attract people who appreciate you for who you truly are, quirks and all. So ditch the act, forget about trying to be someone you're not, and embrace your unique awesomeness. Remember, authenticity is magnetic. It draws people in and creates a connection that's real, raw, and undeniably attractive. Step 9. Patience and taking things slow. Love's marathon, not a sprint. We live in a world of instant gratification. Need a ride? Call a rideshare. Hungry? Order food delivery. Want to watch a movie? Stream it instantly. But when it comes to matters of the heart, well, those things take time. Think of it like this. Building a strong, lasting relationship is like cultivating a garden. It takes time, patience, and consistent care for those seeds of love to blossom into something truly beautiful. Instead, focus on enjoying the journey. Take the time to get to know each other, to discover those shared interests, to build that foundation of trust and respect. Step 10. Appreciation and gratitude, the secret sauce to a happy heart. Showing appreciation and gratitude isn't about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the little things, the everyday acts of kindness that show her you care. It could be as simple as thanking her for a delicious meal, complimenting her on a job well done, or just taking the time to listen and offer words of encouragement. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a handwritten note, a thoughtful text message, or a heartfelt "I appreciate you." These small gestures go a long way in making her feel loved, valued, and appreciated. Gratitude strengthens bonds, deepens connections, and creates a positive and loving atmosphere. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to unlocking her heart. Be confident, be a good communicator, treat her with respect, make her laugh, and most importantly, be yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and advice.